In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename user email address in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to go to the main Google Workspace website. Just open up your preferred browser and type workspace.google.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're there, you're going to look for the admin console link. You should see this easily. It's usually highlighted right on the main page. Click on that to proceed. Now, once inside the admin console, you're directed to the Google Workspace dashboard. Think of this as the control room for managing all your organizational Google accounts. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. It's organized into easily navigable sections. Now, focus your attention on the left side menu. Look for the directory section and give it a click. This is going to take you to where all user information is stored. Upon accessing the directory, you're met with several management options. Here, you'll want to click on Users. This step is crucial as it displays a list of all user accounts associated with your organization's Google Workspace. Now you have a clear view of everyone in the system. Next, identify the user whose email address you need to change. Use the search feature if you have a long list of users. And once you've found the correct entry, simply click on their name to view their profile details. This step is essential, as it will bring you closer to making the necessary changes. Moving forward, look for the Update User option. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it might sound. Clicking this button is like unlocking a drawer that stores all user-specific adjustable settings. It allows you to modify different aspects of the user's account. Now you're almost there. Within the user's profile, you will find an option labeled Primary Email. Clicking on this will take you to a text field where you can enter the new email address. Just type in the new address you've decided on and ensure it's formatted correctly. Double check everything because an error here might lead to unexpected communication problems. Once you've entered the new email address, there should be a save button or similar option to secure your changes. Click that and you've updated the user's primary email. Remember, it may take a little time for this change to propagate across Google's systems, but usually it's instant. And there you have it, a user's email is successfully renamed within your Google Workspace. This administrative capability is a great way to ensure your organization runs smoothly, reflecting up-to-date information and improved communication channels. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.